We've improved the finishing pass functionality in the pocketing cycles. Previously, we had the ability to combine pocketing with a cut path operation. In addition, we now have the option to add a simple finish pass with machine comp. When you turn this on, you also get a lead in and out tab appear here for adding leads to your finishing pass. Or you can select no finishing pass. So if I add simple finish pass here and a width of cut of 1, you'll see the effect it has on the operation. So this gives a nice simple way to add machine comp as well. And an improvement we've made to leads, this isn't just in pocketing, but it's also in cut path cycles. So there's a new option to start at circle center. So you can see the leads that are added to the finishing pass here is added the same to this circular pocket. So that this option to start at circle center will automatically find the center of the circle, which is the safest place to start and finish from. And the other leads remain as they are.